Okay, so I'm back in my new videos about earning from the power tools repair by buying them in eBay, repairing and selling the local market. So, okay, what I have today, I have the first tool of the cycle of this video. Okay, the first tool is a DHP458. Z, of course, without a battery or some other accessories, and I need to change for it the carbon holder, the armature, and the carbon brushes. Okay, as for the remember, I bought 5 tools, okay, 7 tools, but I thrown away the 2 tools. There was a Dewalt, so the old one's Dewalt, so I thrown away, and now I have the 5 tools and I'm trying to earn money from them. Okay, so for this tool, the tool cost, the repair cost, it's 37 euros. Okay, the price of the tool is 8 euros, so I have the 45 euros and I'm planning to sell it for the 8 euros, so it's not a bad profit. Okay, so I will not give a shit and I will take out all the parts I needed. So here's the armature. You can see how they are different, so I'm replacing them. Okay, as these tools are and will be repaired for the sale, that must mean that I need to repair them cheaply and bad. So I think it's better to not sell the tool if it's not in a good condition. It's better to lose money sometimes, but not cheat the customers. Okay, so just taking the new parts. Okay, the carbon brush holder unit. We can see that it's mounted on a switch with the 2 screws. So the black wire goes to the top and the red one goes to the bottom. Okay, normally I'm just replacing the wires like that to not make more problems with connecting wrong wire. Okay, so the black one, as you can know, I'm charging me for my work because I cannot work for free even for myself. I think it makes sense, because if I will work for free for myself, of course I will get a really huge profit, but sometimes it can be not worth, because we have a lot of repairs, so spending the time on some projects, and if I'm not getting the money from them or use, so I don't think it's worth it. Okay, of course, if you don't count the YouTube channel, because honestly the time it needs to be spent and the money you can get from it, it's really not worth that. Okay, but maybe in the future, and that was one of the reasons why I decided to make videos about earning from the tools, because I can earn the money, the additional money for what I do, so, and make the videos that interests and attracts the people. Okay, so installing the new armature, of course. Okay, taking all parts here in place. Okay, the carbon brush holder unit, it's in place. Okay, it's in place, everything's in place. Checking the wire. Okay, closing the cover, gently closing the cover. Okay, can get it close, maybe because of this one. Okay, okay, now check the gear. Okay, something is not in place. Okay, now I think everything is in place. Okay, just checking the wires again. Okay, the housing closes perfectly, so okay, no gaps. Okay, checking for the gaps. There's a small gap here, but it's good. Okay. So now we need to install the carbon brushes. Just lifting the springs, getting the carbon brushes in, connecting them, bending the wire, getting the springs back. Okay, and again inserting the carbon brush, connecting it. Okay, now I lift the spring a little bit, bending the wire and getting the spring back. Closing the back cover. Okay, so we can inspect it, how it looks. Okay, it looks nice. Now we can try it. Okay, it runs perfectly. So, okay, and here we have the problem. It cannot go through the next piece. So, okay, just taking the screws aside. Okay, I will try to push it a little bit. Okay, yeah. Now it does that perfectly. Okay, so the hammering. Yeah, it hammers. The board is working, the drilling mode is working. Okay, the screwing mode. Okay, fuck it. It's so strong. Okay. Okay, so we have the nice working tool. Okay, ka-ching, the money is in the pocket. Okay, currently it's a model that it's really easy to sell in the local market for the 80 euros. Okay, so as you can see, it's a really nice looking tool. Okay, so that was the first tool. Of course, it will be a second one, for and so on, so on, so on. And I hope I will continue to make these videos. Okay, so the first tool is good. So we have spent on it 45 euros, and we will get the 80 euros for it. So it's 35 euros profit. So that's really very good. Okay, so just waiting for your comments. Of course, thumbs up, subscribe my channel. And just wait for my next video about how to earn by repairing the power tools. Bye!